Hello, my name is Tarek. So in the last lecture, we coded the TCP client and we sent a message from the client to the server. So now we will write an acknowledgement message from that will be sent from the server to the client. So let's write some additional code in the TCP server that will respond back as an acknowledgement as that will respond back to the client as an acknowledgement. So for that, uh, I already have a print stream object here. Okay, so I can use this print stream object, and I can say print stream dot println. Okay, we will write the we will use the println method, and here we can write a message. So let's write a message string ack message acknowledgement message, and we can say uh, right data received, and here we can write the we can pass that variable, and now here we can simply print stream dot say close, right? So here you can write server response to client. Okay, after getting the client's message, the server will respond back as data received. Now at the client side, we also need to add some code to receive the message. So we can say client receiving, or you can say getting the response from the client. So here I need to create an object of input stream reader since I haven't created. So I will create input stream reader input str is equals to new input stream reader, and in this uh, in the constructor I will pass the I will get the input stream from the client socket. So I will say client socket dot get input stream reader, right? Now I can use buffer reader buffer reader buffer reader. You can say buffer equals to new buffer reader, and I can Azan. And I can use the input stream as a parameter here. Okay, now I'll get the message, so I will say buffer dot read line, and I will store this in a string read line, and I can here string msg, and now I can print this. So I can say message from server and MSG. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. So now let's run the server and then client. So what will happen is first we will write the message that the normal procedure is the server will run, and we will write some message from the client side. As a response, server will respond back with the message. So here is our server. Okay, waiting for the client request, and here is our client. Okay, we will write a message. Um, Client message to server. Client message to server. This is the client message to server, and server responded with data received. So in this is how we can establish connection, and then we can exchange data with the client and the server, between the client and the server. So I think it's very straightforward. It's simple since it's not very complicated, and the sole purpose of this simple coding is to give you a clear idea how the network programs can be written, and so that you can then, once you have the foundation, you can then create complex uh, programs, complex network applications. In the next lecture we will look into the object serialization and object communication. So up till now what we did is we are exchanging simple string messages. What about if we want to exchange the object? For example, I have employee object, I have student object, I have company object, whatever object I have. How can I pass this to us to a server, or how the server can respond back with an object? So we will look into that in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.